All right, the next part that we need to do here is create our doors. So there are some drawings here. It's roughly what we're looking at when it comes to our doors. Now they are 750, we actually make them 750 by 320, and the width of this material is 70 millimeters wide. So it's 70 by 19 by the length that we've got written here. So to draw this, we come to our cabinet again. We're going to create a new component. And so we're going to create the door. It's called the door style, which is the upright to the door. So we'll sketch this. We'll go onto the front view, but we will actually draw it a little bit to the side. So we won't be starting it in that orientation in the middle. So our original style, our first style is going to be letter D, 750 millimeters long. And then our width here needs to be 70. We're going to finish this sketch. We'll press the picture of the house and we'll extrude that to 19 millimeters thick. So if we look at our door, now drawing that we have here says 310. It's actually going to be 320, and then we're going to minus 140 from that, which is then going to leave us a number of 180. So that middle section there is 180, and therefore the midpoint is going to be 90. So just a recap of that: 320 wide, 70 mil here, 70 millimeters there, which will be 320 minus the 140. That leaves us with 180 millimeters, and we want the middle section of that to be 90. So we come across to Fusion. We're going to construct our offset plane. We're going to zoom in, we're going to click on that face, and we're going to make it 90. We're going to get our mirror, which was from create and then mirror. The component is our upright. The mirrored plane is that section there. We're going to press enter. Show me a picture of the entire cabinet. We go back up at the top here. Now, if you've opened up all these are called the tree. We can press these little triangles and it'll make it all nice and short. If seeing that cabinet gets a bit confusing for you, if you press the picture of the eye sights, we can actually effectively make it all invisible, so we're only looking at one part of our project. So we have our two door uprights. Now what we're going to look at doing is creating a new component, and this is called the door rails. So we say OK. We're going to create a front view. We're going to zoom in, draw ourselves a rectangle. This rectangle is going to be 180 by 70. We'll finish this sketch. Show me this in 3D. Press that house. Call it 19. Our letter J. And then enter. Now if we do our calculations here, our door is 750 millimeters long. We're going to minus 140. That brings us down to 610. And if we divide that by 2, we're at 305. So if we press that circle, actually we won't press that circle, we'll just press, let's do it, we'll press all, so it's going to turn everything back on. And we're going to construct an offset plane. We want to see the underside down here. We're at that. We're going to go to 305. If we zoom out and mirror, press that. The mirrored plane is that section right there. We press enter. And now we've got our entire door. So for that, we'll go Windows Shift S, pick up our name again, screenshot that, and paste that into our drawing.